Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of network cable testers. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, having the right cable tester can save you a lot of time and hassle. We've narrowed it down to the top 5 best network cable testers on the market today. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Zoerax NS468 network cable testers. The Zoerax NS468 network cable tester offers a versatile solution for testing network and telephone cables from RJ11 to RJ45 connections, making it suitable for professionals and home users alike. This compact device features a high-performance chip for fast testing and LED display for clear results and robust support for various cable types including Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7. Pros: wide cable compatibility. The Zoerax NS468 tests both RJ11 and RJ45 cables, covering telephone and network lines, as well as various cable types like Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for professionals, electricians, and DIY users dealing with different cable types. Fast testing with high-performance chip. Equipped with a high-performance chip, this tester provides quick and accurate results, saving time for users who need to test multiple cables or troubleshoot network issues. This speed advantage is especially useful for professional use in environments where efficiency is essential. Detailed verification and pairing information. The tester verifies cable wiring to ensure proper connections and optimal networking flow. It also checks whether cables are correctly paired and connected, which helps avoid common wiring issues that can impact network performance. This verification feature is valuable for identifying faults before they become larger connectivity problems. Clear and intuitive LED display. The LED display provides clear and easy-to-understand results, even for users without technical expertise. This feature is beneficial for home users who may not be familiar with network cabling but want to ensure everything is set up correctly. Cons: limited advanced features for professional use. While it covers the basics well, the Zoerax NS468 may lack some advanced diagnostic features found in more specialized network testers, such as PoE testing or detailed signal strength analysis. Professional network technicians might need additional tools for more complex troubleshooting. The Zoerax NS468 network cable tester is a well-rounded tool for anyone looking to verify and troubleshoot network or telephone cables. Its fast testing, wide compatibility, and simple LED display make it ideal for both professionals who need quick results and home users who want a straightforward way to check their networking setup. Number 4 is the Ampcom Amcsyxh network cable testers. The Ampcom Amcsyxh network cable tester is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts needing a dependable tool for testing Ethernet and telephone cables. This compact device supports multiple cable types, detects wiring issues, and offers versatile power options, making it highly portable and user-friendly. It's an excellent asset for anyone regularly working with RJ11, RJ12, RJ14 telephone wires or RJ45 LAN cables, though a few limitations may impact some users. Pros: multi-purpose cable testing. The Ampcom Amcsyxh tester accommodates both Ethernet and telephone lines, making it versatile for testing different cable types. This flexibility allows users to detect wiring problems across various devices, ideal for troubleshooting in both home and professional settings. Comprehensive diagnostic capabilities. This tester efficiently uncovers a range of wiring issues, including shorts, open wires, crossed pairs, and other mishaps that can cause network or communication disruptions. Its diagnostic accuracy ensures users can quickly identify and address any issues before connecting cables to devices. User-friendly operation. Featuring an easy-to-read LED status display and automatic test functionality, the Ampcom Amcsyxh is intuitive and easy to use. The slow and fast test switch adds convenience, allowing users to tailor the testing speed to their needs, whether for quick assessments or more thorough diagnostics. Portable design with protective case. Compact and lightweight, this tester is designed for easy portability, making it ideal for technicians who need to carry it between locations. The included high-quality leather case protects the device during transport, adding to its durability and convenience. Dual power supply options. The Ampcom Amcsyxh offers flexibility with its 2 power supply methods. It can run on a 9-volt battery or a USB Type-C port, providing added convenience for users in various environments. The protective power switch minimizes power consumption, which helps extend battery life, especially useful when relying on battery power alone. Cons: limited cable type compatibility. While the tester is compatible with common Ethernet and telephone lines, it does not support coaxial cables or other less common types. Users working with multiple cable varieties may need additional testing devices, reducing its versatility for those in varied network setups. The Ampcom Amcsyxh network cable tester is a practical, portable tool designed for efficiently testing Ethernet and telephone cables. Its multiple diagnostic capabilities, ease of use, and dual power options make it suitable for both professional and casual users. Coming in at number 3 is the Habotest HT812A network cable testers. The Habotest HT812A network cable tester is designed for users who require reliable, versatile testing of various cables. With adjustable speed modes, durable construction, and compatibility with both shielded and unshielded cables, this tester caters to professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Here's a detailed look at the features, benefits, and drawbacks of the Habotest HT812A to help you decide if it's the right tool for your networking needs. Pros: flexible measurement modes. The Habotest HT812 allows users to choose between fast and slow measurement modes, which is a valuable feature for professionals who may need a quick assessment in some cases and a more thorough test in others. This flexibility makes it suitable for a variety of network testing scenarios, from quick checks to detailed troubleshooting. Highly durable and shock-resistant. Constructed with ABS material, the HT812A is built to withstand rough handling and accidental drops, making it ideal for fieldwork and professional environments where durability is a must. The ABS material is also environmentally friendly, adding an eco-conscious aspect to this tester's design. Versatile cable testing. This tester can measure both shielded and unshielded cables, making it a versatile choice for users who work with different cable types, including Ethernet cables with and without shielding. This capability ensures flexibility in testing requirements, whether for home networking setups or commercial installations. Corrosion-resistant nickel-plated connectors. The cable connectors on this tester are nickel-plated, which adds resistance to rust and corrosion. This feature extends the lifespan of the tester, ensuring reliable performance even in environments prone to humidity or other corrosive conditions. Cons. Lacks advanced diagnostic features. While the HT812A is excellent for basic cable testing, it lacks more advanced features, such as power over Ethernet testing or digital readouts, which are available on more sophisticated testers. Users needing detailed diagnostics or signal strength measurements may find it limiting. The Habotest HT812A network cable tester is an ideal tool for those who need a durable and flexible device for cable testing. Its adjustable measurement modes, shock-resistant build, and compatibility with shielded and unshielded cables make it versatile enough for a range of uses, from quick tests to more thorough checks. Number 2 is the Uni-T Ut681L network cable testers. The Uni-T Ut681L network cable tester is a compact, handheld tool designed for testing Ethernet, telephone, BNC, and HDMI cables. With its simple single-key operation and various test modes, it's suited for technicians and DIY users who regularly work with low-current systems. This device is practical for detecting issues like circuit breakages, short circuits, and crossed wires, making it useful for installation, maintenance, and inspection. While it has a range of essential features, there are a few limitations to consider. Pros: multi-cable testing compatibility. The UT681L tester supports various cable types including Ethernet, telephone, BNC, and HDMI, allowing technicians to work on multiple systems with a single device. The RJ45 interface for Ethernet and RJ11 interface for telephone testing make it versatile for both networking and communication tasks. Efficient diagnostic capabilities. Equipped with LED indicators, the tester can quickly identify common cable issues such as breakages, short circuits, crossed or open circuits. These clear LED indicators provide straightforward feedback, helping users quickly assess the health of a cable and identify necessary repairs. Shielded and unshielded Ethernet testing. For Ethernet cables, the UT681L tester can handle both shielded and unshielded types. This is beneficial for users working with different types of network setups, especially in environments where shielded cables are preferred for extra protection against interference. Fast and slow test modes. The device offers 2 testing speeds, fast and slow, to accommodate different needs. For quick, preliminary checks, the fast mode is efficient, while the slow mode allows for more detailed analysis, ideal for troubleshooting complex issues. Cons. Limited display information. While the LED indicators are helpful, they do not provide detailed data on testing results. Users looking for more in-depth information may find the display limited, especially compared to more advanced testers with digital screens. The Uni-T Ut681L network cable tester is a convenient and affordable choice for technicians and DIY enthusiasts who need a straightforward tool for cable testing. With its multi-cable compatibility, simple operation, and efficient diagnostic capabilities, it's well suited for routine installations and maintenance tasks. And finally, our number one pick is the Aneng M469D network cable testers. The Aneng M469D network cable tester is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts involved in network communication maintenance, wiring, network engineering, and line monitoring. With its multifunctional capabilities, this tester supports both line hunting and pairing, offers variable speeds, and has a crystal head-on-off testing feature for checking different core telephone lines. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this versatile network tester. Pros: dual-function line hunting and pairing. The Aneng M469D serves as both a line finder and pairing tester, allowing users to locate specific lines and test for proper pairing in one tool. This multifunctional capability is beneficial for network communication maintenance and wiring projects, reducing the need to switch between devices and making it efficient for fieldwork. Adjustable speed modes. This tester offers the flexibility to choose between a constant speed mode and a fast speed mode, depending on the task at hand. For routine checks, the constant speed mode is useful, while the fast speed option can expedite tests during extensive network troubleshooting or when time is a factor. Crystal head-on-off testing. The M469D is equipped to perform crystal head-on-off tests, which can test 2-core, 4-core, and 6-core telephone lines. The indicator lights make it easy to verify which cores are active, helping users quickly detect any connectivity issues and ensuring that network setups are done accurately. Network cable pairing and error checking. In addition to line continuity testing, the M469D also checks for pairing errors, making it suitable for identifying wiring mistakes in network setups. This feature is particularly valuable in network engineering and line maintenance where accuracy is essential for optimal network performance. Ideal for professional use. With a range of functions tailored to network engineering and communication maintenance, this tester is a solid choice for professionals. Its ability to support line finding, continuity checking, and error detection in one device makes it a reliable tool for technicians handling large or complex networks. Cons. Lacks advanced digital display. The Aneng M469D uses indicator lights for testing results, but it doesn't have a digital display for more detailed readings. This limitation may make it harder to interpret complex results, especially in dimly lit environments or for those accustomed to more detailed digital readouts. The Aneng M469D network cable tester is a valuable tool for network communication maintenance, wiring, network engineering, and line monitoring. Its dual functionality as a line hunter and pairing tester, along with the adjustable speed modes and crystal head-on-off testing, makes it ideal for professionals and DIY users alike,